My name is Kate Morton, and I am a current Master's of Music and Vocal Arts student at the Juilliard School, and we are here today in New York City. I grew up in Stillwell, Oklahoma. That's the heart of my community, and there's not a lot of resources nearby to pursue lessons in musical theater or opera or anything like that. And so my mom really made sure that she would drive me to Fayetteville or to Tulsa frequently so I could have the opportunity to study and do what I love. And I'm really fortunate to have a mom that did that. I have a really fantastic support system. If I could see younger me, what would I tell her? And of course it changes throughout the years, but Kate, me, at my core, Caitlin, she doesn't change. She's always there. That little kid from Stillwell, Oklahoma. That's the beautiful thing about opera singers. They can be heard. And that's the thing, you gotta be heard.